Time for a little chemistry fun. Jesse Miller rejoins us, and we've been teasing this one up, Jesse. You're going to hammer a nail into some wood with a banana.
That's right.
Okay.
I'm going to let you try it first, and then I'll do it.
Okay,
so
good.
All
right.
we got 2 bananas.
Yes, sir.
And the way we're going to do this, okay, so we were talking about temperature before, and we were talking about the Kelvin scale briefly right before the break. Now, this is liquid nitrogen, and this obviously goes well below 0 Celsius, so you have to do this in Kelvin, and it's about 70 degrees Kelvin.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like minus 200 degrees Celsius, or like minus 350, I think, Fahrenheit. So this is liquid nitrogen.
It's uber cold.
You really shouldn't do that, but it's really cold. So if you get things cold enough, they change your composition in certain ways. And so I got a couple of things that we were going to play with. I got a racquetball. Okay, and I'll show you what we're going to do with the balloons if we have time. We got a racquetball, and racquetballs are made of rubber or some sort of polymer, depending upon which ones they are, and they're nice and bouncy. However, they have a glass transition temperature. But if you take that temperature below, and I have another one sitting in this liquid nitrogen, if you take that temperature low enough, okay, go ahead and toss that onto the table there, Rob.
Just bounce it?
Yeah. Bounce it harder.
Oh, you want me to break it?
Yeah. Well, darn it. That's a tough
Okay, Al, get the picture of the floor, because I'm breaking it.
Okay, all right.
You ready? All right. Right there. Wow, maybe put it down until you're ready. That's cold. You ready, my man?
All right. We didn't kill anybody, right? Okay, good.
Got it done there. 3rd time's the charm.
Okay, now bananas and much fruit and human bodies and everything else, and you were telling me about your dad showing you this, is mostly water.
Right.
Right. So if we freeze something to where it's below to where the water becomes ice,
Sure.
it'll be hard. Okay, so you go ahead and try to pound that nail with a regular banana.
I can't imagine this is going to work too well.
Well, I just want to, it's the control.
No, I got you. You ready, Al?
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, that didn't work. that didn't work so well.
No, not so much.
But hopefully I've got this in there long enough. Now, as you said, this is cold, so
It is cold.
let's see if you got this in here long enough. Get that nice and cold.
Look at that.
And let me, you know what? We're going to soak that a little bit longer, and I'm going to do one other thing while we're waiting for that to get cold enough.
Okay.
Okay, because I do want to pound that in. Okay, so air also contracts. Okay, when you get it cold enough.
Sure.
Okay, and there's a little bit of water vapor and stuff, and that'll also contract. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these balloons, and we're going to use the liquid nitrogen.
Okay.
Try to get it small enough.
And fit it into
Put
this.
it in. You pick the beaker. Which beaker should I try?
Do this one.
Well, we'll see if I can get it. I'll try to get in the other one. Yeah, so watch your step here. And as you can see, the balloon's getting smaller.
And my toes are getting colder.
Yeah, I bet they are. Let's see if we can cram this balloon in here. Oh, I think I'm going to do it.
Oh, you got it.
There we go.
Perfect. Nice
All right.
work.
So you can see, it gets quite.
And then
It contracts quite a bit. All right, I think this banana's been in there long enough. All right, some little. This is just fun with.
These would be good bar tricks.
You're always thinking, Rob.
I know.
Always thinking.
Well,
All right, so there we go.
look at that.
I broke my hammer. There we go. And
Perfect.
like your dad showed you, you get that cold enough and it just shatters.
And that is crazy. Look at that. It's almost frozen all the way through.
Yeah, if we would have left it in there long enough, it would have eventually frozen all the way. So this is not something that you want to stick your hand in, obviously. I pour it over my hand a little bit because it evaporates immediately.
Sure.
But if I was to stick my hand in there, I'd look a lot like that banana.
It'd be bad news.
It would be bad news.
All right,
so that's just a little fun with liquid nitrogen. I figured it was cold. Come in and play.
I like it. Thank you very much for coming in. I'm sure the kids at home liked it as well.
I'm sure.
We appreciate your time. Hey, if you want to see a replay of this, go to our website, IllinoisHomepage.net. Look in the morning show. Look